Asexual reproduction in plants. Some plants developed a special type of asexual reproduction called vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is the reproduction of some plants by parts of the root, stem, and leaves. Or, it is a type of sexual reproduction that takes place in the vegetative organs in the plant except seeds. It takes place in parts of root, stem, leaves, or buds. Tubers, a root as sweet potatoes or a stem as potatoes. Artificial vegetative reproduction. It takes place by 3 ways: cutting, grafting, tissue culture. Reproductive by cutting. Activity 5. Identify reproduction by cutting. Form the nearest flower house. Get cuts of different plants like grapes, roses, sugar cane, etc. Cultivate them in a pot or a can full of soil, keeping in your mind a bud or more should appear above soil surface. Water the cut. What do you observe after 2 weeks? The buds buried inside the soil grow to form roots, while the buds above the surface of the soil grow to form the shoot system of the plant. Figure 31. These shrubs are then transferred to the soil to grow more efficiently. The cut. It is a part of root, stem or leaf that taken from a plant for reproduction. Notes. The buds buried in the soil grow to form the root system of the plant. The buds above the soil grow to form the shoot system of the plant. These shrubs are then transferred to the soil to grow more efficiently. Reproduction by grafting. Individual plant containing more than one bud, known as scion, graft is selected to place on another individual known as stalk. Types of grafting. Grafting by attachment. The scion is attached to the stalk. Example, mango trees. Grafting by wedge. The scion in the form of a wedge, pencil-shaped, is inserted into a cleft in the stalk. Example, large trees. In both methods, the scion and stalk are tightly tied together and the scion feeds on the juice of the stalk. The produced fruit by grafting belongs to the type of the scion. This kind of reproduction is used only between highly similar plant species as orange and naring, bitter orange, apples and pears. Do you know? Glowing stem is a disease which infects bitter orange trees, which does not infect naring. That's why reproduction by grafting is useful when the disease spreads in orange fields. In this case, orange is the scion while bitter orange is the stalk. Tissue culture. A new method to produce large numbers of plants from a small part of it. Or, it is a process of multiplying a small part of a plant to get many identical parts.